इनिशिएट लिया कैलेंडर लॉन्च का, उसके क्या विषय थे?
जितना बड़ा इनिशिएटिव अक्षय भोसले जी ने लिया है उतनी ही बड़ी मैं शुभकामनाएं अक्षय जी को देने आया हूं और मेरी ढेर सारी हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं हैं। मैं दिल से दुआ करता हूं कि इनके जितने भी प्रयास हैं वो सफल हों और ये ज़िंदगी में तरक्की के रास्ते पर ऐसे ही बढ़ते चले जाएं।
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. That means
So
a
what
lot.
do you have to say about what is the effort behind this full initiative?
So the effort was very much. मेरा यही ख्वाहिश थी कि कभी मैं अपना खुद का कुछ एक बड़ा एक लॉन्च कर दूं एंड आई थिंक अभी मेरे लिए ज़्यादा बोलने के वर्ड्स नहीं है क्योंकि सर ने खुद ही बता दिया है कि आई थिंक मेरे लिए वही काफ़ी हो जाता है कि अगर उन्होंने हमारे एफर्ट्स को बरखा है आई थिंक वही काफ़ी है हमारे लिए। थैंक यू सर।
अभी नेक्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट के लिए क्या बताना चाहेंगे? What is your
सो
next
नाउ हमारा नया प्रोजेक्ट जो है वो एक मराठी फिल्म आ रही है, इट्स कॉल्ड एज सावली एंड हमारे बहुत सारे प्लेज और थिएटर्स ड्रामाज वगैरह रिलीज हो जाएंगे NCPA में, ओपेरा हाउस में, तो आई थिंक वेट एंड वॉच यही कहूँगा मैं। थैंक यू।
मैं एक ख़ास बात बोलना चाहूँगा। अक्षय जी ने एक बहुत अच्छा जो मुझे दिल से बहुत पसंद आया कि जो थिएटर के लोगों को ये जो बढ़ावा दे रहे हैं, इनिशिएटिव दे रहे हैं, बहुत अच्छा कदम है। ड्रामास को, थिएटर को लेकर के जो आगे बढ़ रहे हैं, मेरी हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं उसके लिए। बेसिकली मैं थिएटर से ही हूँ तो मेरा लगाव बेसिकली फ्रॉम हेयर आई एम थिएटिशियन, तो मेरी दिल से दुआएं।
ज़रूर।
सर इंडस्ट्री में सिंस लॉन्ग आपका नाम काफ़ी रिस्पेक्ट लिया जाता है, सब जानते हैं। अभी क्या प्रोजेक्ट कर रहे हैं और आगे का क्या कुछ बताना चाहेंगे इस बारे में?
अभी मेरा सब जानते हैं, मेरे मित्र लोग जानते हैं कि मैं तेनाली रामा से फ्री हूँ 2 महीने पहले ही। अभी टेलीविज़न नहीं कर रहा हूँ, अभी पूरा जो ध्यान है वो वेब सीरीज़ पर है और फिल्मों पर है। 2-3 फिल्में मैंने की भी हैं और कुछ अच्छे काम फरवरी में शुरू होने वाले हैं, जिसके बारे में मैं सभी मित्रों को विस्तार में अगली बार बताऊंगा।
थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Initiative taken by Akshay Bhosle. Say something about it.
It's indeed a proud moment. I'm really happy for Akshay and Paul both. Rather, I would like to mention, I was one of the initial shoots that Paul had done when he moved from Hyderabad. And also, I guess, one of the first shoots from the Marathi film industry that he has done, and was appreciated a lot because he was the one who gave me a vast difference in my look, and the pictures were appreciated quite well. And I've seen his journey ever since, from the past, I guess, more than 4-5 years or more.
Now it's 7 years.
7 years, right. So, and we have done several shoots after that, and similarly because of that, because of their partnership and seeing this day today, it's indeed a very proud moment. So congratulations to Akshay as well as congratulations to Paul.
It means a lot.
It's a wonderful thing and I'm looking forward for the event.
You want to add something to this? Everything I appreciate about your work also everyone sees. What do you have to say about that?
I don't have much to say. I'm more thankful to God for whatever he's done, and a lot of friends like Akshay. I bumped into, and it just was a very accidental thing that happened, and I'm glad that we worked together.
Thank you so much, Paul.
And Bhushan, as he rightly mentioned, the first actor in Marathi industry that I worked with, and the way his pictures went viral, he's going to be my constant actor that I'm going to shoot with. Thanks a lot, Bhushan, for making it.
Thank you
It
so
means a
much.
lot.
Thank you, Paul. Thanks a lot. Thank you.
So what do you have
Thank
to
you.
say? Say something to lines of the people out there.
No, I am honestly very nervous because Paul has given me also a very good opportunity to be in the media, to launch my own media house. I think with brilliant actors like Bhushan, and I think I have always seen Bhushan's work on screen, and so it was always given me happiness in terms of acting and the kind of personality what he has. Thank you so much, Paul. Thank you so much, Bhushan. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Hi guys. Ajay sir, please. Ajay.
Sab just
So
close the
Paul,
lights, just stay closer.
So close.
Ajay sir. Yeah, ma'am, what do you have to say about the Akshay Bhosle is taking a great initiative today? So what's your wishes about it?
Well, I'm very happy to be here, and thank you so much, Paul, for inviting me. And I wish that this calendar brings a lot of prosperity,
Thank you.
lots of work, lots of success in his life, in his career. So yeah.
Akshay sir, what do you have to say about it?
No, I am very happy with this. Both guys have been a part of this media launch and calendar launch. I think thank you so much, Roshni, for coming here and of course being a part of our launch. And thank you so much for Paul for giving us this opportunity.
अजय सर, आपकी क्या शुभकामनाएं हैं? अक्षय ने इतना मेहनत करके यहाँ तक काम लेके आए।
अक्षय बहुत इंटेलिजेंट लड़का है और मेरी विशेष है उसको बेस्ट विशेष है कि वो सक्सेस हो हमेशा और उसको कुछ ना कुछ आगे करने की चाहत रहती है, तो मुझे अच्छा लगता है। और वो आई विश ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर दिस कैलेंडर लॉन्च।
सर आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे अक्षय ने इतना
पॉल के साथ तो हमने काम किया है, 10 साल पहले हमने एक किड फोटो शूट किया है।
आपके लड़के का ही है।
और द बेस्ट पार्ट क्या है कि पहला ऐसा फोटोग्राफर है जो सुपर एनर्जेटिक है। सुबह 9 बजे से सुबह 6 बजे से लेकर रात शाम के 6 बजे तक कंटिन्यूसली फ़ोटो शूट कर रहा था। मैं कामना करता हूँ कि ऐसे ही वो करते रहे और आगे फुल सक्सेस रहे। और अक्षय को भी बहुत बहुत बधाइयाँ।
Thank you so much, sir.
थैंक यू सो मच।
Congratulations again.
आओ ना केशव भाई, अरे आ जाओ आ जाओ, इन्होंने 2-3 मूवी बनाई है, डायरेक्टर आ जाओ ना, आ जाओ। एक कुछ बाइट दो ना, बेस्ट विशेष दो।
प्लीज प्लीज
यार बस एक मूवी आया था।
थैंक यू।
अक्षय भोसले को क्या विश करना चाहेंगे? अक्षय भोसले जी ने
ये हमारे साथ ही है।
So it's about the calendar, right?
Right. You can talk about yourself as well.
I just want to talk about you. Ajay Bhosle.
Ajay Bhosle.
No, Bhosle or Bhosle. Akshay Bhosle. Hi, so I like to wish Akshay Bhosle a very success of this calendar that they are launching. It's beautiful. I've seen all the images. They have put very hard work on that, and I wish them all the very best for it.
Thank
And
you so
congratulations.
much. Thank you so
I wish you all the best.
Thank you. Thank you.
I'm extremely happy कि पॉल ने और अक्षय ने एक बड़ा इनिशिएटिव लिया है, नया इनिशिएटिव लिया है, तो I'm very much happy.
what do you think like don't see your project right now? You want to say something about your project?
अभी फ़िलहाल मैं एक शो कर रहा हूँ, विघ्नहर्ता गणेश, जो सोनी टीवी पर आता है। That's it.
What do you think around the
Oh, Arun and I, we worked together on a very nice exclusive shoot, I know, and he was very supportive, and I guess one of the best indoor shoots I've done with him. So thank you, Arun, for giving the opportunity.
I just will have one word that Arun is an amazing actor and an amazing talented person because I've seen his work. So thank you so much, Arun, for being a part of this launch.
Thank you so much, Arun.
Thank you so much. We'll have a picture.
वहाँ पे उड़ गया। ये सेट कर लेना। बाल हेलो चेक 1 2 3 1 2 3। फर्स्ट द ग्रूमिंग टीम। नहीं पहले हाँ वन राइट द माइक विल टेक। जावेद सी वेयर आर यू? तो वो पहले बोल दे क्या पूछने वाले, मैं सोच रहा हूँ इतना ही छोटा।
So, working with Paul has always been very good, and me and Paul go back a long way. And I was very happy when Paul approached me for handling the makeup and hair for this shoot. And I liked the whole variety of looks that this calendar had. We had a vintage look, we had a very conventional look. So we worked around with makeup and hair, which was minimal but yet conventional. At the same time, it was very vintage and 1930s. So yeah, it was wonderful to work.
To include what is your role in the whole background?
So we were handling the makeup and hair. This is my team, Ayushi and Johit. He's also my twin brother. And Shri, she's a hair expert. And Kishore, you want to say something? He was the stylist.
Yeah. Okay, let me introduce myself.
Let's say about Paul and Akshay.
Paul and Akshay. Okay, my name is Kishore Kumar, and my Instagram handle is style by K Kumar. वैसे.
Too much of branding acting.
And anyway, like the whole project. Me and Paul were working for quite few years actually, and all of a sudden Paul has called me and gave me a buffer time of 3 to 4 days, and the whole thing got sorted within 3 days. And yeah, it's great working with Paul every time, with Johit and Johan also. And every team, every person has put really good effort to get the looks out, and even Paul has justified every single look we pulled on. And thanks to Akshay for putting everything together on board. And
Paul
yes,
always takes very good care of the team.
yes,
So we are very
Paul
happy.
is a really good. Yes, Akshay should speak something now.
So I would just like to tell you guys that these guys are amazingly talented, superb at their creativity, amazing hair and makeup. In such a short notice, they managed to arrange amazing, beautiful clothes, made our calendar look like sizzling hot. I think Kishore and all the team, Johan, everybody, and Paul, thank you so much for having amazing team, and thank you so much for making our calendar look so beautiful. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes, look here, look here, look here. Yes, look here. Sir, look here, look here. What do you have to say about Paul and Akshay?
So I think Paul I know from like since the time I came to the industry. पहला मेरा portfolio Paul ने किया था, and Akshay of course is I'm so happy he's kind of sponsoring this whole calendar because it's going to be looking great. I've seen some screenshots of this, but I'm very excited to see the entire look.
Yeah, I've seen some looks, the first few looks and first few pictures. They're amazing. And Akshay मेरा college का दोस्त है, तो मतलब this is a big day. Yes, it's a big day for me as well because seeing my college friend grow into something so amazing and so big. So congratulations to both of you, and I'm just glad to be here.
About your project,
Oh, my coming projects, I'm not going to reveal, so stay tuned. But till then, you can go and watch my other projects that are on Old Balaji, and I've done a couple of music videos, Warrior High on MTV, so you can enjoy.
So it's going to be a complete surprise for me. I don't think I've seen any of the snippets yet. So very excited to see.
Thank you so
Perfect.
much.
And
Thank
congratulations.
All right, congratulations, all the best. Actually, like I've spoken enough.
Thank you.
Thanks.